Hello, this is Michael with Field Tech Academy. In today's video, we're going to be installing a backboard. First thing we want to do is try to locate the studs because we need to mount the backboard on studs. Got a nice little magnetic stud finder. Backboard is 3 foot by 3 foot. And 24-inch studs. So we're only going to be able to mount one portion of this on studs, but we're going to use togglers. So we'll get at least 3 points into the stud and it should be fine. To use togglers, we're going to have to make a 1/2-inch hole. I'm going to temporarily mount the backboard just so I can mark my holes. All right, first thing I did was I put a screw at the bottom of this so I can rest on it since I'm by myself. Now I'm going to get it leveled off so that I can actually lock it in place, and then I can make my toggler holes. Now I'm level, so I'm going to lock it down. So I'm going to make 3 anchors into the stud, and it's a metal stud, so it's hollow inside. I'm going to use togglers. And when I say togglers, I'm going to use snap togglers. So these will go into the stud, and they'll flip out, and they'll actually lock into that metal stud. I got to make holes for these. I'm going to mark my stud. I'm going to do 4 holes in each corner, and then I'll have the 3 on the studs. So that'll be a total of 7 anchor points. I had to get on my gloves. Screwing these screws in and out. Very hot. So I'm going to leave 1 anchor in so that I will be aligned with my holes. I'm going to mark the wall so I can find my anchor points easier. To get our snap toggles in, we're going to use a 1/2-inch drill bit. And you might look at this and be like, there's no way that's going to hold a backboard and a rack and all that. These will hold 265 pounds and a 1/2-inch drywall. First thing I want to verify is that I really am on the stud, so I'm going to do that first. And if it is a metal stud, I'm going to have to start with a smaller bit. Make a pilot hole. That is definitely in a stud. And I have to have the pilot hole. Now on these in the drywall, I don't need a pilot hole because it's just drywall, so this should penetrate. All right, time to toggle. This straightens the toggle. Pull the toggle against the back of the wall. Make sure it's flush. Run your zip down. Make sure it's in the hole. Pull on your toggle. Make sure it's as tight as it can be. Break it off. The other thing you want to make sure of before you get going is that all your bolts will start, because once you get the board up, you're not going to be able to get behind it. Sometimes these will get off center, so you need to know now if it's not going to go. Okay, that one's good. That one's good. Now we need to make holes in our backboard so that these will go through. Looks like a 5/16 should be good. A little too big, but not much. All right, now I put my hanging screw back out so that I can position it and lock it back down in place until I can get the anchors in. Biggest challenge with the snap toggles is if you push too hard, you can push the snap toggle off into the wall and then you gotta start all over. So you gotta have enough force, but be gentle. And you notice I'm not tightening these down. I'm leaving it where I've still got movement. So I got all of them started. Okay, that one's good. Okay, I got that one. Let's hope we're still pretty level. Yep, perfect. Now we can lock it down. And that's how I mount a backboard. The purpose of showing you example service calls like this is so that you can see what working as an IT field tech looks like. I want to remove the fear of the unknown for you. My goal with Field Tech Academy is to help aspiring technicians see what they can do and to help experienced technicians have higher performance. If you got value today from what I shared, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more about how to be an independent field tech. Don't forget to check out our website at fieldtechacademy.com. I offer one-on-one coaching as well as some other products that can accelerate your quest to become self-employed as a technician. As always, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.